All right, so theory is helpful, but seeing this grammar in full, real sentences is what really makes it all click. So let's look at a few examples of it in action.
Here's our first one. You can see the two parts so clearly here. We have tabeta, which is the past short form of to eat, and it's followed directly by to omoimasu. To ate the cake, I think. It's a perfectly natural sentence.
Now this one shows us a negative. The word for busy is isogashi. Its negative past short form is isogashiku nakatta. We just add our phrase, to omoimasu, to the end and we get, I think yesterday wasn't very busy. Simple, clean, and effective. And one more for good measure, this time with a positive I adjective. Samui means cold. The past short form is samakatta. So putting it together, samakatta to omoimasu means I think it was cold. You're just expressing your memory or opinion about last winter. See the pattern?
Okay, we've gone over the rule, we've looked at the examples, now let's just do a quick review of the main points to really lock it all in.
So, here are the key takeaways. First, remember to use this when you're stating your thoughts or guesses about something that already happened. The biggest rule of all is that the word right before to omoi must be in its past short form, and this applies across the board, to verbs, nouns, and both I and na adjectives. And finally, don't forget it works for both positive and negative statements.
All right, now it's your turn to practice. Think about something you did yesterday. How would you say that as a thought or a memory using this grammar? I think I watched a movie, or I think I went for a walk. Seriously, just taking a moment to form your own sentence is the absolute best way to make this knowledge stick. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.